little scholars! Do you know what letter starts the whole alphabet? It's the letter A. Today, we're going to explore the sounds A makes and discover some awesome words that use A. Get ready for an adventure with the letter A. Here we go! This is the letter A. It's the very first letter in the alphabet. It has two shapes, uppercase A and lowercase a. Let's write the letter A. Uppercase A starts at the top. Slide down to the left. Go back to the top. Slide down to the right. And then draw a line across in the middle. And that's uppercase A. Now let's write lowercase a. Make a curved line, like you're drawing a circle. Then go back up and draw a straight line down. That's how you write lowercase a. Now it's your turn. Let's practice writing the letter A in the air. Wave your finger and follow along with me. Good job trying! Let's talk about sounds that the letter A makes. It can make two sounds, a short sound, A, like in apple, and a long sound, A, like in acorn. Short A makes the sound A. We make the short A sound like this. Open your mouth wide with your tongue down, like you're at the doctor and they say ah. Now you try it. Say ah, ah, ah. Good job trying. Here are some words that start with the short A sound. Short A makes the sound A. A, apple. A, apple. A, avocado. A, avocado. A, alligator. A, alligator. A, axe. A, axe. A, ambulance. A, ambulance. The other sound the letter A makes is the long sound A. When A says its name, it's making the long sound, like you are saying, hey. Say it with me. A, A, A. You did great! Here are some examples of words that begin with the long A sound. Long A makes the sound A. A, ape. A, ape. A, acorn. A, acorn. A, apron. A, apron. A, angel. A, angel. A, airplane. A, airplane. Let's play a letter hunt game. Can you spot every uppercase A and lowercase a? Ready, set, go! Awesome! Did you find them all? Now let's find some words that start with A. Can you spot two pictures that start with the short A sound? Remember, the short A makes the sound A. Apple and alligator. Avocado and ambulance. Ant and axe. Astronaut and arrow. Now let's practice the long A sound. Point to the picture that has the long A. Remember, the long A makes the sound A, like its name. Ape. Apron. Airplane. Wow! You did an amazing job learning the letter A today. Its name, its short sound, its long sound, and even how to write it. Give yourself a big clap.
Hey there! Did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.